Ever pondered over the art of crafting authentic Japanese sushi right in your own kitchen? Well, today is the day to transform those thoughts into reality. Welcome to a gastronomical journey that promises to tantalize your taste buds and make you the sushi master of your home. Sushi, a delicacy that hails from the land of the rising sun, is more than just food. It's an art form, a tradition, and a symbol of Japanese culture. So grab your sushi mat and get ready to roll. We begin this culinary adventure with the most vital ingredient, sushi rice. This isn't your everyday rice. It's a special short grain variety called japonica, which is known for its sticky texture. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This step is crucial to remove any excess starch. Next, cook the rice. For every 2 cups of rice, use 2.5 cups of water. Once it's done, let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now comes the part where we season the rice. Mix in a blend of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This gives the rice that distinct sushi flavor that has won hearts worldwide. While the rice is cooling, let's prepare the fillings. Traditional sushi often includes fresh, raw fish like tuna or salmon. But don't worry if raw fish isn't your thing. Cooked shrimp, crab, or even vegetables like cucumber and avocado work just as well. Slice your chosen fillings into thin, long strips. Now, it's time to assemble the sushi. Place a sheet of nori, seaweed, on your sushi mat. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice on the nori, leaving a small margin at the top for sealing the roll. Place your fillings in a line in the middle of the rice. Now, roll it up tightly using the mat. The key here is to apply even pressure to ensure a firm roll. Lastly, with a sharp knife, slice the roll into bite-sized pieces. And there you have it, an authentic Japanese sushi roll crafted right in your kitchen. To sum up, the process of making sushi consists of 5 easy steps. First, prepare the sushi rice by rinsing, cooking, and seasoning it. Second, prepare the fillings by slicing them into thin strips. Third, assemble the sushi by spreading rice on a nori sheet, placing the fillings and rolling it up. Fourth, slice the roll into pieces. And fifth, enjoy your homemade sushi, perhaps with a side of soy sauce and a bit of wasabi. Creating sushi at home is a delightful experience that combines culinary skills with an appreciation for Japanese culture. It's a dish that invites you to experiment with different fillings and flavors. So don't be afraid to get creative and make your version of this Japanese delicacy. Remember, making sushi is not just about feeding the stomach, it's about feeding the soul. It's about taking part in a centuries-old tradition that values precision, balance, and beauty. Every bite you take is a testament to the rich and vibrant culture of Japan. So, the next time you crave sushi, you don't have to step out of your house. You are now equipped with the knowledge to create your sushi feast. Happy sushi making!